Hi everyone, I am Vidya from Varanda Race. Today we are going to discuss divisibility rule for 4. So, given number 4 in the divide ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. See, for example, 8 4 8. So, is it divisible by 4? Is it divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. Why? Because 4 2s are 4 1s are again 4 2s are. And then 900. Is it divisible by 4? Yes, of course, it is also divisible by 4. And then 832. Is it divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. And then 821. Is it divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4. So, what is the rule? Rule ಏನಿದೆ? So, ನಮಗೆ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ see last 2 digit should be 0 or last 2 digit should be divisible by 4. See ಇವಾಗ 900 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ 10th ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 0 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ 900 ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 832. See here 32. So 32 is completely divisible by 4. So 832 is divisible by 4. And then 821. 21 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. See 10th place and unit place ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 21 it is not divisible by 4. So 821 ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.